Today we're going to talk about equity versus equality because you see, here's the thing, treating everyone exactly the same actually isn't fair. Equal treatment does for us is it erases our differences and it promotes privilege. For those people who say that, yeah, I treat everyone just the same, they're not looking at all of the differences that exist between us. They're not looking at the fact that we really don't all come from a level playing field. When everyone is different, fairness and success also differs. Equity versus equality. So what do fairness and success really mean when we know that everyone is so different? Equity and equality are two strategies we can use in an effort to produce fairness. Equity is giving everyone what they need in order to be successful. Now let me say that again. Equity is giving everyone what they need in order to be successful. Equality is treating everyone the same. So let's say that we were looking over a fence. The fence is 5 feet high. I'm 5'7". My best friend is 5 foot tall. The fence treats us both the same. That's equality. Equity says she can't see over the fence, so she has to stand on a block. That is the difference between equity and equality, and equity is what we should strive for. Equity aims to promote fairness, and it can only work if everyone starts from the same place and needs the same help. Equality aims to promote fairness. Equity appears unfair, but it actually moves everyone closer to success by leveling the playing field. But not everyone starts at the same place, and not everyone needs the same things. Since everyone is different, and we embrace these differences as unique, we must also redefine our basic expectations for fairness and success as contingent upon those individual differences. Privileges is when we make decisions that benefit enough people, but not all people. Privilege is allowed to continue when we wrap it up with actions of equality. Take gender, for example. Fairness between genders doesn't mean that everyone should become the same. The end goal is not for men and women to reach a complete genderless state. It means that men and women should be given the same opportunities to succeed despite their differences. And what that means is that in order to achieve those same opportunities, they might need different starting places. We need to recognize our differences as unique rather than reach for one definition of success. By upholding just one definition of success, we actively erase our differences. Our differences are not the obstacles. We need to engage in equitable practices. Fixing the systemic obstacles rather than fixing individual differences requires us to be more intentional, but the extra work pays off. As teachers, this means we must re-examine our classroom systems to allow all students to reach success. This is called differentiated instruction in the classroom, and we need it in the real world too. We need to recognize the needs of individuals and change our actions to fit those needs. We must think about every student because our classes must help every student learn. Every student comes to us with a different learning style. They come to us with a different educational background. They come to us with disabilities. They come to us with different socioeconomic backgrounds that can impact how they learn. Thank you very much.